Today, let's talk about the evolution of emojis. Can you imagine communicating without emojis? I can't. Did you know that the first emojis were actually hieroglyphics? Yeah, that's right. The ancient Egyptians used symbols to communicate, just like we use emojis today. Fast forward to the 1800s, and we see the rise of emoticons. These were simple combinations of keyboard characters used to convey emotions in written communication. For example, this represented a smiley face. In 1990s, Japanese phone companies started using simple icons to express emotions in text messages. And in 1999, Shigetaka Kurita created the first set of emojis for a Japanese mobile operator. But it wasn't until 2011 when Apple added emojis to their iOS keyboard that they really took off globally. Now there are over 3,000 emojis in the Unicode standard, and they're used by billions of people every day. Emojis have become a language of their own. They allow us to express emotions and convey meaning quickly and easily. And let's be honest, sometimes a picture really is worth 1,000 words. So next time you use an emoji, take a moment to appreciate its history and evolution. From hieroglyphics to digital icons, emojis have come a long way and they're here to stay. Thanks for watching.